Betway Premiership, Mamelodi Sundowns 1, Kaizer Chiefs 1.
Yes.
This is the Talk Football.
Yes, sir.
I'm with Kelvin. Kelvin, my brother, how did you see the game? What's your comment?
So far the game was fine, but I really like to give credit to the one and only goalkeeper that I felt from this game, which is Peterson.
Yes.
That is a man.
Yeah.
And I feel like Mfundo Vilagasi could have got enough minutes to play to prove himself.
Yeah, they put him on too late.
80 minutes.
Mara, why, man?
I'm disappointed as a fan. I'm very disappointed.
Yeah.
But I hope he can improve himself
Yes.
at training.
Yes. Yeah.
The young players deserve chance again.
Yes, yes.
Because according to your game, the performance was good.
Yes.
I won't lie.
An injury to Shabalala.
Yeah, now it was a mind game.
Yeah.
They planned it already.
They planned it.
They planned it already.
Yeah. Because he was on top.
He
was on top of them.
dominating.
Yes.
They felt him.
Yeah.
First half, first 20 minutes,
Yes.
they really felt him.
Yes.
That is the players.
Do you support any team or you are just an analyst?
No, like I support Kaizer Chiefs.
Yes.
I'm a supporter of Kaizer Chiefs.
Yeah. So who did you want to win today? Because some Chiefs fans said they wanted Sundowns to win.
There's no such.
Yeah.
There's no such.
You can't say yourself.
No. Every
Yeah.
team wants a win.
Yes.
So, Mamelodi Sundowns is a team, Orlando Pirates is a team.
Yes.
Everyone deserves to win.
Yes.
So, me as a Kaizer Chiefs fan, I expected a win from that game.
Yeah.
Even Mamelodi Sundowns got a red card.
Yes.
That was a huge chance.
Yes.
So, you could have won the game.
Yes.
That is my saying according to the
No.
game.
Who was your man of the match?
My man of the game
Was me.
see.
Yeah.
I'll give it to Peterson. Sir.
Peterson. No.
Peterson.
Yeah, he played.
He was a leader. Sir.
He played.
He played.
I agree with you.
He played for the badge.
100%.
The badge.
100%.
100
No. He left everything on the field.
on the field.
Yes.
Died for the
So,
badge.
the league now, where is the league going?
As usual, Mamelodi Sundowns is going to take the lead.
Yeah. You think Pirates will still drop points?
I hope so.
Yeah.
I hope they drop points.
No. Thank you, my brother. I appreciate your time.
Thank you, sir.
Massive.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Have a blessed night, sir.
Thank you. Please subscribe. We Talk Football SA.
Don't worry, sir.
Thank
I'll do
you.
that.